Hola a todos! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of basic Spanish phrases that will help you navigate daily conversations. Whether you're traveling or just want to brush up on your Spanish, these phrases will come in handy. Let's start with greetings. Saying hello in Spanish is easy and fun. In the morning, you say buenos dias. In the afternoon, it's buenas tardes. And at night, you say buenas noches. When meeting someone, you might want to ask ¿Cómo estás?, which means how are you? If someone asks you, you can say Estoy bien, gracias, if you're feeling good, or Estoy mal if you're not feeling so great. Let's learn how to introduce ourselves. Me llamo is used to say, my name is. If you want to ask someone their name, simply say ¿Cómo te llamas? And mucho gusto to say nice to meet you. Here are some handy phrases for everyday interactions. Por favor means please. Gracias means thank you. And de nada is you're welcome. To apologize, you can say lo siento. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming Spanish lessons. That's all for today's quick lesson on basic Spanish phrases. Now that you've learned these basic phrases, you're all set to start conversing in Spanish. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these phrases in your daily life. See you later!